If you suspect that your Robinhood account has been compromised or you are facing issues accessing it due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Robinhood website or app. Go to the official Robinhood website or open the Robinhood app on your device. Make sure you are using the correct and official platform to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, click on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the process to reset your password, which is a crucial step in regaining access to your account. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Robinhood account. This information will be used to send you a password reset link or verification code. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Check your email or SMS for the password reset link or verification code. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Make sure to create a strong and unique password to enhance your account security. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access to your account, immediately enable two-factor authentication 2FA for added security. This will help protect your account from future unauthorized access. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Robinhood account and enhance its security to prevent further issues. Always monitor your account for any unusual activity and report it to Robinhood's support team if necessary.